What's up, tribe? It's Shaju here back again with another video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be continuing the series that I started last week, which is the best Android smartphone under a particular price point. And in this video, I'll be talking about the best Android smartphone under $300. You see, last week was about the best Android smartphone under $200, and $200 is equivalent to about 72,000 naira in Nigerian currency. But for some of you, $200 might be a little too cheap to buy a smartphone. And for those of you guys who have a little more money, about $100 more to spend on your smartphone purchase, in this video I'm going to be covering the 3 best Android smartphones under $300. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Shaju, and if you are new to the channel, on this channel, which is Tech Tribe, I make unboxing and tech review videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, which I believe you obviously are because you obviously clicked on this video and you're watching it right now, be sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the post notification bell icon so you will not be left out whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you find yourself enjoying this video at any point in the video, be sure to smash that like button. I'm trying to get this video to over 40 likes, which will be like the highest number of likes I've gotten on any video on my channel. So be sure to hit that like button like right now. So now that I've handled all the formalities, let's dive straight into the video. Now, coming in at number 1 is a phone made by one of the greatest tech companies ever created, and you guys probably guessed it, and that company is Samsung. And I'm talking about no other smartphone than the Samsung Galaxy A50. Not the Samsung Galaxy A50s or the Samsung Galaxy A51. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy A50. So with that being said, let's take a quick rundown on the spec sheet of the Samsung Galaxy A50 and see exactly what this phone is packing. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A50 has a 25 megapixel front camera and a 25 megapixel rear camera. The entire phone is also run on Android 9.0 Pie, and it has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. It also has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display and a huge 4000 milliamp hour battery. Oh my God! Wow! The Samsung Galaxy A50 starts at 230 USD, which is equivalent to about 82,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Now, the second phone on this list of the best budget Android smartphone to buy under $300 is none other than Nokia 8.1. And yes, I know the Nokia 8.1 is called the Nokia X7 in some parts of the world. So yeah, pretty much if you're watching this video from any other part of the world, I'm talking about pretty much the same thing. Now, the Nokia 8.1 has a 20 megapixel front selfie camera and a 13 megapixel rear camera. It has a 6.18-inch LCD display, and the entire phone is run on Android 9 Pie. It also has a 4 gig RAM and a 6 gig RAM version, and both of them come with 64 gigs of internal storage. The Nokia 8.1 has a pretty decent 3500 milliamp battery, and the entire phone is powered by a pretty strong Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor. The Nokia 8.1 starts at $253, which is roughly around 91,080 naira in Nigeria. Now, the third phone on this list is probably a phone that a lot of you guys, I believe, have not even heard about, because the company is not as popular as Samsung and Tecno and Xiaomi and these other companies yet. And I'm talking about the Honor 8X. And right off the bat, the Honor 8X has some pretty amazing specs, and let's just take a quick rundown and look at what this phone is packing. Now, the Honor 8X has a 16 megapixel front camera and a 20 megapixel rear camera. It has a 6.5-inch LCD display. The phone comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs and 128 gig internal storage options. It also has a pretty decent 3750 milliamp hour battery, and the entire phone is run on Android 8.1 Oreo. Now, the Honor 8X starts at around $204, which is roughly around 73,440 naira in Nigeria. Now, most of you guys are wondering, Shaju, which one of these devices is the best of the best? If I have a budget of around $300, which one of these devices should I go for? And the answer I'll probably give to you guys is to go for the Samsung Galaxy A50. And that's just simply because for the $230 price point, the Samsung Galaxy A50 is packing some really good specs, like a really great battery, really good performance, really good cameras, and being a Samsung phone, you can be rest assured that you are going to be the first or one of the first people to get the latest Android software updates as soon as they come out. And that's it. The Samsung Galaxy A50 is my choice. I would like to know what you guys think in the comment section below. Which one of these devices do you believe is the best budget Android smartphone under $300? I reply to every single one of my comments, so I really want to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Like this video if you really enjoyed it. Follow us on our social media platforms, on Instagram at TechTribe and on Twitter at TechTribe1. And as always, I'll see your beautiful faces next week Friday in another video.